Okay, let's go.
Okay guys, so now we are going to try to purchase things from TikTok and get cashback from Mova. So go to shop in your TikTok. Okay, like now I want to buy the Mohawk glasses. Mohawk glasses. Okay, this is the point to shoot glasses which I was checking out for quite some time. So it's 300 ringgit.
Perbezaan cermin mata Mohawk yang flagship model ni.
So what we do is we copy the link.
Satu lagi sebab dua-dua ada AI. Jadi kita tengok apa perbezaan dia. Mohawk.
Okay, now we go. I've already copied the link, so I go to Mova app. Okay, you see when you copy, it straight comes in. Or you can go to search, go to home, paste your link here. No links detected. Okay, because it already copied. See when you go to TikTok. Okay, now when I copy the link, see I copy the link and then I just go to Mova and I paste it. Bang. So my estimated cashback is 15 ringgit 52 cents if I purchase this. This link comes from short video. No cashback available. You see, when you buy from videos, you don't get cashback. It's already a reminder there. So what you have to do is you should not buy from videos. Okay, you should find the glasses without video. Okay, let's see this one, 313. Okay guys, so you see here there is no videos. So now I copy the link, copy link. Okay, now I go back to Mova, go back and I paste my link. Estimated cashback 20 ringgit, and you see down there, okay, there's no errors. That means it doesn't say this is from a video or anything. So the best thing is go to shop, make sure there are no videos in the shop page. Okay, so now what I do is I order on TikTok. Okay, you can share and earn also. Let's say if you share to WhatsApp and someone buys, you still get 20 ringgit, or you can purchase as usual. So what I do is I just go to order on TikTok, continue shopping, and it opens back TikTok page. Okay, it opens back TikTok page. Okay, AI glasses. Okay, and you can see the first one here, Mohawk Smart AI Photochromic. So I click that, buy now. Okay, you see here, place order, free shipping. So this one, each time you buy, you have to buy straight. Okay, and then you check back your address all okay or not. Okay, place order. Order place. Your order was submitted. Thanks for shopping with TikTok. Okay, so mine is cash on delivery. Total order 313. Okay guys, so this is how you order. So I ordered it under COD lah, because this is 313 ringgit. Okay guys, so thanks a lot. My referral ID is above. Okay, so if you want to join Mova, okay, and get cashback, you can use my referral ID and get 150 ringgit additional cashback. That means each time you buy, you get 10% additional. Okay, let's check in Mova app and see whether it's already there or not. Bang, see, TikTok 20 ringgit 69 cents per piece. So as long as Mova is waiting for confirmation, okay, once I pay the money, I'll get 20 ringgit 69. Okay, so easy. Okay guys, so you can see here earnings still 0 because the transaction has not been done. Okay, and when you have earnings here, you can withdraw over here. Okay, so Mova is legit, don't worry, we have already checked everything already. If there's any questions, please call me, and if you register under my link, you can see my WhatsApp number. Like I register under my friend Ahmad Sobri Manso, so I can see his WhatsApp number here. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks a lot. Check out my other videos I have pinned to my profile, how to register, how to put in the codes and all. Okay, anything, just Roger. Love you guys.